Let me provide you a quick tutorial on how to do your rear brakes on the X3M. The first thing you're going to need is beamer link. Grab yourself an adapter that's compatible with beamer link, take that parking brake off, throw a stop in that wheel. Now it's time to open beamer link up, go to parking brake service mode, activate. This is the easy way to retract the parking brake versus manually doing it. Let's get to work. Now it's time to get your jack out, something to loosen the lug nuts, 13mm socket for the back of the caliper, and a wrench to hold. Once you got the bolts out and the top of the caliper off, remove the pads and the old clips, throw the new clips in. To compress the piston, you can use a flathead screwdriver and one of the old brake pads. I definitely got my money's worth out of the old pads, but when you're reinstalling the pads, make sure you got the one that can fit the sensor on the inside. Make sure you also grease them up. The brake wear sensor can only be found on the passenger side, so don't worry about it on the driver. During reassembly, the only thing you do is just to reverse everything you did to take the pads off. Oh man, look at them pads. They all wore down. But as you can see, the sensor's only on one pad, and that's going to be on the passenger side. Now back to beamer link to disactivate parking brake service mode. Oh yeah, don't forget to reset your service down. Yeah, I know. I gotta do the front brakes too. That's next. Just waiting for them Hawk pads to come in.